Hello friends, welcome back to Marquee Soaps. Today we are making a soap fragrance in rose quartz, and I went to a local shop. It's called, I think, Mystical Wonders, and they had rose quartz. They're little, but we are going to put these on the top of the bars of soap. And I also have opalite, which will be the next soap we do. So I was super excited to find these, especially because they were local and it's a small business. So we all love supporting our local small businesses. So let's get this batch started the same way we always do. Mix in our oils, butters, and additives, and add in our lye. These small batches don't take more than a few seconds to get everything emulsified here. I want to get these pretty even, but I don't care if it's not exact. It won't make any difference at all. Get our bucket scraped out and then get to add in some colors. I have two different colors of pink I'm going to be using, the Hollywood Pink and the Rapture. And I just want to kind of do different variations of each one. So like this one, we'll just do Rapture. This one we'll do like half Rapture, half Hollywood Pink. This Hollywood Pink is bright. This one we will do all Hollywood Pink. And then this one we'll do Hollywood Pink and some titanium dioxide. And I might add some titanium dioxide to some of the other colors. We'll kind of see what they look like as we go. So I'm liking these variations. I think that these two are really close, so I'm going to add more of the Rapture to there, and I think we should be good. So we were at this, my daughter asked me to go to this little shop. It's like a crystal shop, and then I saw these. I'm like, oh my gosh, I have rose quartz fragrance oil. I definitely want to buy some of these gems to make a soap. So I've used the rose quartz quite a lot. I do really like the scent. Oops. And I bought it in a pretty big size bottle, I think a 1 pound bottle from Brambleberry. And you want to use up your fragrances within a year, so we need to get it used up. So we're using our Amazon mold today. These hold about 3 pounds of soap, and I don't get it out very often. So let's see, how do we want to do this? I think we're just going to start with the darkest. Pour that in there, and I will scrape out each cup because this will have the soap frosting on top. So drop it in there. I think I'm going to take my hanger swirl to it now. color a little bit. All right, I'll make up some frosting and bring you back when it's time to finish this one up. Okay, so this one is ready to be frosted. We have an Atika 826 tip. It's the star tip. And this is just a white batch of soap with colored in titanium dioxide. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take off these gloves because I'm no longer going to be touching the soap. And we are going to do some gold glitter on top. This is a fairy duster by Bad Micas. So we have this gold glitter, which I don't know where I bought this from. I no longer have the packaging, but it is also eco glitter, so it will be safe to go down your drains. I just think gold and pink goes so well together. Last but not least, the showstopper of this soap are our rose quartz. I have the rose quartz and I have the opalite for this month, and if they do well, then we will have more to choose from in August or September. They're nice and in there good. And now we'll give it a spray with rubbing alcohol. And she's complete. Let's bring you in and see it a little closer. I think this turned out so pretty, and I cannot wait to see the inside. So let's take a look at that cut right now. Welcome back, friends. We are here to unmold and cut into this rose quartz soap, and I am in love with the soap. Look at how beautiful that is. So as usual, it's been a week since we made this. Oh, I can already smell it from here. Oh, so good. And it's still a little soft in some areas, which is kind of surprising. Soft and sticky. It's not normal. So let us see what the inside looks like. Very soft. There's that first cut, so this will be just a little sample piece. I'm gonna get on some gloves because it's gonna leave fingerprints. Very soft and sticky. Thank you. But there she is. So if this soap is something that you might be interested in, it will be available on our July release. And normally we release everything the first Sunday of July, but that is July 4th, and so we are going to change that date to be Saturday, July 3rd. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and we'll see you next time. We will see you next time. Bye guys.